Rightio, to find our camp, we're going to use WikiCamps. We probably want to drive for another, well, we're going to drive for a little bit longer than we thought, but we probably want to drive for another, I don't know, 30 minutes to 50 minutes.
Yeah.
So around there. Now there looks to be plenty of camps. I'm going to use the filter. I'm going to use the filter function. I'm going to put 3 camps. Righto, that's narrowed it down a bit.
Are there many around?
There's a couple. This one here, I reckon, that'll be green. That photo is brown, but that'll be green, I reckon, judging from everything else around here. That looks pretty good. 72-hour free camp with toilets. Oh, look at that.
Oh, pretty water.
Yeah, next to the river. Go straight to Google Maps. So we're 49 minutes away, and then I can put it straight to CarPlay as well, which is even better. Look at that old railway.
Yeah, wow. Narrandera.
And we have ourselves camp. Beautiful backdrop with that building there, some toilets, the van. Where's Meg?
Here.
Megsy, what do you reckon?
Yeah, it's lovely. Beautiful afternoon light. It's really nice.
But tomorrow we've got a couple of jobs to do. First one is going to be fill up with water, because we haven't filled up with water yet. And then also, we're not going to be in the van for a couple of days, few days, so we're going to do a dump point. The way we're going to find that is that we're going to use WikiCamps, of course, and then we're going to use the filter feature. That just makes it so easy to filter everything else out. So if we just want to see dump points, we'll just see dump points. As well as a dump point, we'll find water.
Yes, and water, we want to look at the reviews.
And yeah, water, we really want to look at the reviews to see a few little details.
Yeah, well, obviously, just if it's operating, because sometimes they're not. Whether it's paid, because you can get paid water, but also the quality of the water.
The quality
obviously
of the water.
Is very important.
All the information is normally on there, on the reviews or on the actual thing. So that's our jobs tomorrow.